Sanibona guys, sengibuyile futhi. Welcome back. Please consider the subscription button if you didn't subscribe yet. So tomorrow is a Valentine's Day. Suku ley'thandani. So what are you guys going to do? How are you going to surprise your loved ones? Because usuku ley'thandani not ukuthi usuku lokuthandwa. Omunye nomunye kufanele ekhombise ukuthi omunye uthanda omunye nomunye akhombise ukuthi uthanda omunye. Ngiyazi-ke ukuthi kunalaba abalindele ukuphiwa something. They are expecting present from their loved ones, especially boyfriend. They are waiting present from their boyfriend. And they didn't prepare anything to give their boyfriend. They just waiting to receive, not to give. While is a Valentine. Guys, Valentine akuyona yabantu besilisa kuphela that men are supposed to give women a present. Women can give a man a present and a man can give a woman. Actually, you can share the present, guys. But a lot of women, they are expecting ukuthi kube yibona abaphiwayo. Ake sibe unfair. Lento is a nika. Uyamupha naye uyakupha. Not ukuthi wena ulindele ukuphiwa ngaso sonke isikhathi. Usuyokwata-ke uma kuwukuthi umntwana wabantu akaze kuphe lutho. Hayi. Ake nje singayenzi leyo nto leyo. Nawe enza something phela uma kuwukuthi yena akakhonanga ukuthi ekuphi. Do something. Wenze nawe ukuthi uthandweni lenu kubonakala ukuthi niyathandana. Not ukuthi usuku lokuthandwa. Hawu, kahleni bakwethu. Ake nje sithandane sikhombisane ukuthi siyathandana, sihloniphane, sisaphothane kukho konke bafethu. Phela uthando, singenzi uthando manje sekume ngathi mawusothandweni usekhampanini or you are working where you gonna get paid for work that you have delivered. No, sothandweni, emsebenzini semsebenzini. So abanye amantombazane guys, uwenza sengathi manje la kwi-relationship yakho nomuntu wakho when usebenza khona, you're always expecting higher things that your man supposed to give you, and when I'll provide lutho. Hayi, come on guys man, ake singabi njalo. Ake sikhombise uthando man, ne-support yomunye nomunye. Uyayibona? Uma singaphila kanjalo guys sizophila kamnandi. And nalama-divorce lawa lokuthi sithandane 3 months and then sekuphelile, angeke kube khona guys, cause sizokwazi ukuthi siyanakekelana. Nje sike sithandane ngothando lukaKorinte 13 kusiyami. BaseKorinte 13 ake sithandane ngalolu thando. Sobona into zethu zizohamba kahle. Kusho njalo kuGabisile. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. I love you so much. And I appreciate your love that you've been showing me since I've started this YouTube channel. So guys, I appreciate and I really appreciate guys. So subscribe, watch and subscribe so we will grow. Mina nje ngumuntu othanda ukuthi sisaphothane guys. Umuntu othandayo ukubona abantu bathandana, not ukubona abantu bexabana. Because ezinye izinto kwi-relationship sixatshaniswa imali. And imali guys akumele isixabanise because imali is there for us to survive, but uthando must be there. Yabona, imali nje ukuthi sithenge ukudla, sithenge impahla, not ukuthi kuthengwe impahla zomuntu wesifazane, for all of us. So ungabe usuthanda imali ngaleyo ndlela leyo, ukuthi ubeka imali phambili manje awusenendaba ne-relationship. Uzwe intombazane ithi ngizogcoba ngokukhisi yini, ngizogcoba ukhisi, ngizoluka ngokukhisi. Ha, engakafiki umfana wabantu ubukade wenza njani wena? Ubukade wenza njani? Iqiniso nje kufanele silikhulume guys, and siphile iqiniso. Lokhu kuzosisiza kakhulu ngoba uma usewedwa uyakwazi ukuyiphilela uphile, but uma sekufika umfana wabantu ethi uyakuthanda, wena usuyibona uqashiwe ukuthi each and every month and you must get paid. Bye-bye. I love you so much. I appreciate your love. Please subscribe. Subscription is mahala. You don't pay anything for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you subscribe, I'll subscribe to your channel too. Bye. Love you so much. Peace out.